Hello everyone, and today I'm going to tell you how to speak in English without any hesitation and without any fumble. Okay, and first of all, my name is Monica, and I want to tell you, I want to tell you, you don't think about how to speak in English. You don't think about I can't do it. ओके इस बारे में मत सोचो कि मैं नहीं कर सकता. You can also speak in English because I can speak in English. Okay, you should learn some grammar rule, that how to use is, how to use have, has, how to use had, how to use will have been, will have, will be, will. Okay, you and second thing is you you should learn spoken English in your way. Okay, some people says practice every day, practice front of mirror. Some people says practice every day, write in book, write in copy. Okay, and some people says uh, speak with anyone every day in English. If you want your kid, if you are a housewife, if you are a parent, if you want your kid speak in English very well in their future, you will have to speak in English today with your kids, because school environment not enough for your baby, for your kids. You will have to speak in English also. Okay, don't think about people, whatever. कौन क्या कहेगा तुम्हें? जब आप बोलोगे नहीं तो आएगा कैसे? ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले लोगों के बारे में सोचना बंद करो. You will have to speak in English in your family, with your family. Okay, and if your family don't know how to speak in English, don't you should learn some grammar rule, that how to use is, how to use have, has, how to use had, how to use will have been, will have, will be, will. Okay, you should learn, and I apply in my journey in learning of spoken English in my way. Okay, and you should learn spoken English in your way. Okay, and third thing is, don't think about what people say you. लोग तुम्हें क्या कहेंगे? That people judge you. Okay, don't think about. You should you should practice every day in your way. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter what way, but you should practice every day in your way. Okay, I want my kid, my child speak in English also. Yeah, if you want if you want that your kids speak in English, you you will have to speak in English, because school environment not enough for your baby, for your child. Okay, and yeah, and second thing, don't fear, don't humble while speaking English. It doesn't matter, you will, in your starting phase, you will speak in English, right and wrong. First thing is, you will start in English, you will start speak in English. Okay, and I'm a mother, I have no time, but whenever I have time I learn. Yeah, I don't scrolling reels. And yeah, I learn whatever I don't know. I learn whatever I don't know. Yeah, you will have to do this. Okay. And kids, अगर तुम बच्चे हो तो आप अपने मम्मी पापा से बात करो. ओके. अगर वे नहीं जानते इंग्लिश, they don't know how to speak in English, you think about in English. And today that's enough. If you like this video, please like it, and bye bye.